Kia ora koutou, Matua Michael here again. We are going to start off our Rāhina Waiata session with the Hello song, followed by This Little Light of Mine, and going into a new song that Matua's learning called Ko'o, Ko'o. And then finally finishing off with our Kakite song, the goodbye song. So I hope you like joining in with our Waiata today. I'm just going to move this around because it's not in the right spot. So let's go over here. Hope some people join me today. Here we go. That's better. Okay, so let's start with our hello song. Hello, hello, and away we go. Hello, hello, and away we go. Kia ora to you, talofa to me, malo elele to everyone we see. Kia ora to you, bula to me. It's time to sing along with glee. Hello, hello, and away we go. Hello, hello, aloha, takalopalahiatu, and away we go. Awesome. Well, I thought today we'd start off by singing a great song about the light inside, this little light of mine. So we're going to sing that with lots of energy and with lots of joy. And I'm just going to move my music stand over so I can see what I'm doing. Here we go. This little light of mine, I'm going to let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm going to let it shine. Let it shine. Let it shine. Let it shine. What key should we do it in? Let's do this one. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Oh, this little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine, let it shine, let it shine. The light that shines is a light of love, lights the darkness from above. It shines on me and it shines on you, and it shows what the power of love can do. I'm gonna shine my light both far and near. I'm gonna shine my light both bright and clear. But there's a dark corner in this land, I'm gonna let my little light shine. Everybody, this little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Oh, this little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine, let it shine, let it shine. Let it shine, let it shine, let it shine. Cool. Right, we're going to do something a little bit different today, and I thought I'd learn a new song and teach you the new song while I'm learning the new song. So I'm going to move up to the piano and put this down so you can see me, hear me, see me, hear me. Now I just need to find it. Find it, find it. Is it gone? Oh dear, it's disappeared. Was here just a minute ago. Maybe I'll go see if I can go into my folders. My drive. Here we go. Music. Songs. Oh, well, it's disappeared. It's gone. Maybe I can do this. No, wrong one. I'm hoping you can still see me. Okay, let's try this then. This is the tune. It's very simple, and it's all about learning what the pronouns are in Māori. So, ko au, this is me. Tēnei, ko au, tēnei. Ko koe, tēnā, that is you. Ko ia, tērā, that is him or her over there. And kei te mahi, ngā mahi, all busy working. So those are the lyrics, those are the words. And the tune goes like this. Now, if we put the words with that, it goes like this. Ko au, tēnei, ko koe, tēnā, ko ia, tērā kei te mahi, ngā mahi. Ko au, tēnei, ko koe, tēnā, ko ia, tērā kei te mahi, ngā mahi. It's quite a cute little song, isn't it, to learn about the pronouns in Māori. So let's try that with the accompaniment this time. Ko au, tēnei, ko koe, tēnā, ko ia, tērā kei te mahi, ngā mahi. Ko au, tēnei, ko koe, tēnā, ko ia, tērā kei te mahi, ngā mahi. Cool. Well, that was a little bit of a new song that Matua wanted to share with you and teach you today. I hope you enjoyed that, and we might try that again tomorrow. So maybe you could practice and we could work on that tomorrow. Okay, our final song today is our goodbye song. So if you've been watching these videos, you will have been learning the hello song and learning the goodbye song. So you can sing along, get out the pots and pans, or any instruments you might have at home, and join with me singing the goodbye song. This is the goodbye song. It's time for us to say goodbye until we meet again. It's time for us to say goodbye. Ka kite anō, my friend. Goodbye, that is what we say. Ka kite anō e hoa, I'll be on my way. It's time for us us to say goodbye until we meet again. It's time for us to say goodbye. I'll see you soon, my friend. Goodbye, that is what we say. Ka kite e ano e hoa. I'll be on my way. Until Ratu, see you tomorrow. Ka kite.